Hello, welcome to the BCC coding series. In this video we're going to build Brickman, a man out of Legos that looks like this. This program is going to be a little bit more complicated than the ones that we've done so far, and that's a good thing. And I would want to point out before we get started what this white brick right here means. This is basically our point of reference. This is where 0, 0 is going to be. So for example, this foot is going to be a 2x1 gray brick that's going to be at position 0, 1, 2, 0. That's going to be the position of this foot. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to know how much virtual space we need to create so that this guy can fit in there. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 wide, and how many deep? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we need a 10 by 13 virtual space. Okay, here we are. The next thing we need to do is, I guess I'm going to start from the bottom up and do the legs first, and then the body, and then the arms, and then the head. So the left foot is going to be a gray 2x1 brick that's going to be placed at location 0, 1, 2. Let's put that. So we'll do put 2D 2x1 gray brick at location 2, 0. Try to put another one. The other foot is going to be not at location 2, but let's keep counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be our next foot. That is going to be at 6, 0. Let's type a little bit more before we run the code. So I'm going to create this leg, the left leg, and then the right leg. The left leg is a 1x2 gray brick, and it's going to be at location 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is a 1x2 gray brick, and it's going to be at location 3, 1, we said. Now we have the other leg, which is also going to be a similarly shaped brick. And the location here is going to be, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1. All right, 6, 1. All right, let's take a look. Run this. So far, so good. So we got the legs. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the body. So the body is going to have a 2x2 brick and a 4x2 brick. When I built it in Legos, I did this particular pattern, but we don't have to do that when we're coding it. So let's go ahead and do the body. So put 2D, we wanted a 2x2 yellow, yellow, and what location do we want this at? 0, 1, 2. It lines up with the feet. 0, 1, 2, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 3. Oops. And then right next to that, we're going to put a 4x2, and this goes over 2 positions here. So if this is 2, then this is 3, and then this is 4. Okay, so that should be the bottom part of his shirt. We need to do the same pattern. I'm going to do the same pattern one higher. So actually, technically speaking, 2 higher. So if this is location 2, sorry, if this is location 3, then this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 5. So we're going to make this higher. This is higher by 2. Let's run that. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now we need to go, again, one more higher. So we're going to look it's going to be 2 higher than the last one. Copying this piece of code, pasting it. Remember, copy and paste is Control-C and Control-V. And now I'm going to change that to a 7. So that should take care of his body. And then we want to put the arms on either side of the body up here. So now this is, X is going to be 0, and now we have to count up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 0, 8. Put 2D. And we wanted this to be a 2 by 1 gray at location 0, 8. I think this is right. All right, let's take a look at this one. Ta-da! All right, looking good. Now we need to put the other arm up. So if this is at the height 8 or at the depth 8, then we need to go across to, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes right there. So the other arm is going to be at X8, Z8. And then we need to do the neck. The neck is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be 1 higher than the arms. A quick look. The arms are here. This goes 1 higher where the neck is. And now I think I want to run the program again, make sure I'm on track. Okay, the neck's looking good. Okay, so now I have two more pieces to do. So let's put on his head now. The head is going to be a 4 by 2, and it's positioned 1 higher than the neck. Fits on top of the neck. 4 by 2. This is 1 higher than the neck, and it starts over 1 position. So we have here. Let's run this again. All right. And then last but not least, let's put on his hat. And that's the same X coordinate as the neck, and it is 1, 2, 3, 3 higher, 3 deeper along the Z axis, depending on how you're counting these things. So this is going to be a yellow. Same as the neck. The neck was here. This is the neck, so it's at 4. And then it's going to be 3 deeper than this, so it's going to be 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. I think if I've done everything right, we should be finished. Oops. Oh, I made a mistake here. Let's look at this. I actually had the wrong size brick, and a couple things to notice. The brick that I created was a 4 by 2, and it's too big to fit in the virtual space, so it actually doesn't show up here. So we get this funny looking thing. So let's change this. We need this to be a 2 by 1. All right. Try now. Ta-da! We are done. Now a couple of things I'd like to point out. This program that we've created has a lot of function calls in it. I'm scrolling through it here, and it's kind of not very organized right now. It's hard to tell just by looking at it where certain parts of the body are being created. So in a future video, I'm going to show you how to structure this to make it more readable. That's an important next step as far as coding goes. But since we're finished now, let us blow this guy up. Got to find a nice background for him. Maybe here, huh? Oh, that's pretty good. Or should we put him in the sky? Put him in the sky. All right, here we go. And there you have it. And that is the reward for a job well done. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys next time.